Authorities say a passenger on a Delta flight from Houston's Hobby Airport to Atlanta tried getting into the cockpit. This, you see, is eyewitness video of that incident unfolding. We want to thank you all for joining us for this half hour. I'm Keith Garvin.
And I'm Lisa Hernandez. Houston police detained that man, took him to the hospital for what they are calling a mental health crisis. So far, no charges have been filed. The flight was one of the first to leave Hobby for the day and had to turn around. The airline contradicting the radio traffic, saying the passenger never made it to the flight deck.
Can you coordinate as security standing by as well as paramedics, please? In cuffs in the back of the aircraft, but he did assault another passenger, so we'd like that passenger checked out.
It is just another chapter of a scare in the sky. If you're feeling that, you're not alone and you're not mistaken. Tonight, KPRC-TV News reporter Gage Goulding is digging into the unruly passenger trend and a new system aiming to double up protection in the cockpit of an airplane.
Our question today is this. Do you feel safe flying? Yes or no? Simple. Overwhelmingly, people said yes, I hope so. They're at the airport. One guy said no. And if you're joining him in the no column, you're not wrong to feel that way. And here's why I say that. Overwhelmingly, this is happening more and more often. It's plain and simple. The COVID-19 pandemic really spiked unruly passenger incidents, as the FAA calls them. A lot had to do with mask mandates, but in the years after COVID, those numbers fell, but never back to pre-pandemic levels. And this year, we're already on pace to see more than 1,500 unruly passenger incidents. Plus, everyone has a cell phone. Everyone's recording. It ends up on social media and then here on the news. But what happened on this Delta flight today is really out of the ordinary.
This is my first time having a breach of the cockpit event, so I don't know how long it's going to take for the FAA to decide everything's good and to let us go.
The answer is zero. Never had anybody come close to that event whatsoever. It is a cardinal sin. That is an absolute no-no to come up to the flight deck in flight.
Post 9/11, the FAA decided they need to make planes safer. They bolstered their federal air marshal program. They went from just 33 air marshals to more than 1,000 today. There's also a new layer of protection for new airplanes. It's called a physical secondary barrier. This is what it looks like. Southwest Airlines sent me this video last fall whenever they started rolling it out on new planes they were getting. The FAA decided after post 9/11 they needed another layer of protection, right? It's a physical barrier between the passengers and the cockpit. Anytime the cockpit door is open, that barrier is to be closed. It's only for planes delivered on or after August 28, 2025, and it comes with a price tag, $35,000.
It is important and necessary, and it's only going to get better as time goes on.
So back to our initial question. Do you feel safe flying? Overwhelmingly, 30 of the 31 people that we asked said yes.
Safer than a car.
I would say yes.
So I'll leave you with this. Federal data says that you have a 1 in 93 chance of dying in a car accident. The odds of perishing on a plane, 1 in 11 million. At Houston's Hobby Airport, Gage Goulding, KPRC-TV News.
The shelter-in-place order